If you want to write an article faster and with a lot less stress, Grammarly can help you do it from outline to final polish. In this video, I'll show you how to use Grammarly to write an article step by step. Even if you're starting with a blank page, we're going to generate the outline, draft each section, refine the writing, and make the final result sound more natural and polished. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open a document in Grammarly Docs. Once your document is ready, look to your sidebar and launch the Purple Go agent. This is where Grammarly's AI writing help becomes really useful because you can guide it with a clear prompt instead of trying to write everything manually. In the chat box, type a prompt for your outline. For example, you could say, create a 5-section article outline about your topic. Then add your target audience and the tone you want, such as casual, professional, friendly, or informative. The more specific you are here, the better the outline will match what you need. After you send the prompt, Grammarly will generate a structured outline for you. This is a huge time saver because instead of staring at a blank page, you now have a clear roadmap for the entire article. Once the outline looks good, click Insert to place it directly onto your page. From there, you can quickly review the headings and decide whether you want to keep them, edit them, or rearrange them before moving forward. This step gives your article a strong foundation and helps keep the writing organized from the very beginning. Now that your outline is in place, it's time to draft the content section by section. Start by highlighting one of the section headings from your outline. Then use the Go agent again, or click the inline prompt button if you see it. This lets you tell Grammarly exactly what kind of text you want for that section. For example, you might say, write a 200-word introduction based on this heading and include these main keywords. You can also ask it to sound more conversational, more formal, or more persuasive, depending on your article goal. This section-by-section method is one of the best ways to use Grammarly for article writing, because it keeps the content focused and prevents the AI from going off track. Once Grammarly generates the draft, read through it carefully. If the structure is close but not perfect, you can click Insert to add it to the page, or use Rephrase if you want the layout or wording adjusted. You do not need to accept everything instantly. The goal is to use the AI as a writing assistant, then shape the output so it fits your voice and topic. Next, we move into polishing and refining the text. After your article draft is written, click the Proofreader, also shown as the G agent, to run a full grammar check across your paragraphs. Grammarly will highlight grammar issues, awkward phrasing, punctuation problems, and spelling mistakes. In many cases, you can fix these with a single click, which makes the editing process much faster than manually checking every sentence yourself. This is especially useful if you are writing a long article and want to keep the workflow moving. If you come across sentences that feel too wordy, repetitive, or awkward, highlight them and use the Paraphraser icon with the curved arrow. Grammarly gives you rewrite options like concise or formal, which are great for cleaning up the flow and tightening your writing. For blog posts, articles, and website content, this can make a big difference in how professional the final piece sounds. It helps you cut unnecessary words while keeping the meaning intact, and that makes your article easier to read. Now let's talk about making the writing sound more human. One challenge with AI-assisted writing is that some paragraphs can sound a little too robotic or formulaic. If that happens, simply select the paragraph that feels unnatural and click the Paraphraser agent in the sidebar. Then choose the Humanize preset. This option helps automatically change sentence structures and improve the natural flow of the text so it reads more like a real person wrote it. This is a really important final pass because even if the content is accurate, it still needs to feel engaging and authentic to your reader. Humanize helps remove that overly mechanical tone and gives your article a smoother, more natural style. After that, read the full article from top to bottom one more time. Make sure the ideas connect well, the keywords fit naturally, and the article sounds consistent from beginning to end. So to recap, the best way to use Grammarly to write an article is to start with an AI-generated outline, draft each section one at a time, polish everything with the proofreader, and then use the Paraphraser and Humanize option to make the final version sound clean and natural. It's a simple workflow, but it can save you a huge amount of time and help you produce better articles with less effort. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Grammarly and AI writing tips, and drop a comment if you want to see more step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.